Welcome everyone. I am so glad you're here today because we are going to take a simple idea and turn it into a powerful learning opportunity. If you've ever felt unsure about your English or stumbled over your words, you're definitely not alone. The good news is, that's exactly why we're here together. Today we're going to work on polishing some common expressions, improving how we communicate in real situations, and growing your confidence in English, especially if you've ever caught yourself making little mistakes that leave you second-guessing your grammar or your vocabulary choices. You might have seen some of our earlier videos on this channel, and you'll notice that we don't just focus on theory. We focus on real English, the kind of English you need to speak fluently and naturally with others. The channel, known as Mr. English Teacher or Speak Real English, has been sharing helpful tips and videos consistently, but now it's time to go a bit deeper with you. You see, there are so many wonderful lessons already available, and Jenny, one of the teachers here, has created a library full of valuable video content to help you understand the language better. But even with so much content out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why I want to offer you something simple but effective. I want to help you directly by walking through common mistakes and showing you how to correct them, how to say things more naturally, and how to avoid confusion when you speak. For example, if you're trying to say that there are a lot of videos available on this channel, you might want to say, the Go Real English channel has many helpful videos you can learn from. Notice how clear and natural that sounds. Compare that to a phrase like Mr. English Teacher YouTube channel SRE or Go Real English have much video, which doesn't quite follow correct grammar rules. These small errors are common, and they are exactly what we'll work on fixing together. So now, let me show you how to express ideas more clearly. Instead of saying, I want help me out here, you can say, I would love to offer you some help with your English. This sounds more fluent, confident, and grammatically correct. You can still keep your message and your energy, but say it in a way that is easier for others to understand. That's what mastering real English is all about. It's about learning to say what you mean with clarity, with confidence, and with the natural rhythm that native speakers use every day. These are the kinds of corrections that we're going to explore together in each lesson. It's not about perfection. It's about real communication and making real progress one step at a time. And while we're at it, let's talk about progress. If you're serious about becoming fluent, one of the best steps you can take is to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, you get notified about new videos that can support your learning. I want you to be part of this community because it's not just a place to watch videos. It's a place to connect, to grow, and to celebrate your improvements. Every week, I release new tips to help you speak English better. And if you haven't done so already, I highly encourage you to visit the channel's homepage where you'll find a free ebook designed to help you improve even more. This ebook is packed with lessons and explanations that go beyond the basics and give you real tools to boost your vocabulary, listening skills, and confidence. Also, I have a special note for my Brazilian friends. If you're from Brazil and learning English, you're in the right place. I make a special effort to include tips in Portuguese from time to time, especially just for you. Imagine this experience like an English carnival where language meets culture and learning becomes fun. Each week, I bring a new video that helps you connect your Portuguese background to American English in a way that makes sense and feels exciting. So again, I want to thank you for being here and spending this time with me. You're doing something amazing for yourself by showing up, by being curious, and by taking steps to improve your English every day. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every word you learn brings you closer to fluency. Keep going, stay motivated, and be sure to leave a comment with your questions or just to say hello. Subscribe if you haven't yet and don't forget to download your free learning guide on the YouTube channel. Thank you again and I can't wait to see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking real English with confidence.